So this is it from the outside. Again, these are probably only about 15, maybe 20 mile an hour right now. It's going to get a little bit worse, but they're bowing. I'll do an inside video, show you what's going on the inside. But this big rig right here is blocking most of the wind from this side, so it's not getting hit. But the center and the right side, we're getting hit pretty good. But this is our great wind block. What's happening on the inside. So I'm inside the leisure port right now with the winds blowing. They're probably not blowing but 15 or so maybe now. It's hard to see, but it's bowing in. This is being protected by the big rig that's on the other side of us, but this over here is not. But see, food prep's going on. Sprinkled salt and 20 mile an hour wind with the leisure port doing all kinds of crazy stuff here. But this is great for a wind block when you need one, especially when you're in here trying to get food prepared and eventually cook. We'll be cooking in here too. But that's that. This is serving its purpose well. As windy as it is, moving, blowing. I zoom into the steam, not even moving. That's why we got a leisure port.